listening is a useful tool in many areas, including solving math problems. This video presents you 5 mathological questions to brush up your thinking skills. Get ready to boost your IQ. Let's start. First question. Logic behind the first question is a equal to b. To get b, multiply a and 5, then divided by 3. So the number that comes in the last line is 87 into 5 divided by 3, 145. Answer 145. Logic behind the second question. A into b into c equal to a plus b into c. So the number that comes in the last line, 17 into 13 into 11 is equal to 17 plus 13 into 11. So 13 into 11, 143 plus 17, 160. Answer 160. Third question. Look at the series and find the number that comes next. In the series, first term, that is the first number, third term and the fifth term are connected, and the second term, fourth term and sixth term are connected. So here, if the first term is A, then the third term is first term into 4, fifth term is third term into 6, and the second term is B. So the fourth term, next even term, is second term into 5, and the sixth term is fourth term into 7. So the answer is the sixth term here. So fourth term is b into 5, that is 25. So here 25 into 7, number in the series is 175. Answer 175. Logic behind the fourth question. AB into CD equal to DC DA. So 79 into 43 is 3497. Take a and b, a plus b the whole square, then subtract 20. So the number that replaces the question mark is 5 plus 12, 17 square, so 289 minus 20, 269. Answer 269.